What's up, Diecast fam? Your boy Big A here. I hope you guys are having an excellent Memorial Day weekend in company of your loved ones. Today, I'm going to be unleashing cars for you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. So let's start off with this awesome 2020 Chevy Corvette. This is from the Factory Fresh series. Gonna let it spin, sit back, and enjoy. Next one up is this awesome Ford Focus RS from the HW hatchback series. Next one up is the Draftinator from the HW Speed Team series. Next one up is this awesome Custom 70 Honda N600 from the Compact King series. Next one up is this awesome 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9 from the HW hatchback series. Next one up is the TV series Batmobile from the Batman series. Next one up is this beautiful Porsche 935 from the HW Turbo series. Next one up is the Matte Manga from the HW Contoured series. Next one up is this awesome 1970 Dodge Charger from the Baja Blazer series. Next one up is this beautiful 83 Chevy Silverado from the HW Hot Truck series. Next one up, we have this beautiful Porsche 935 from the Retro Racer series. Next one up is this awesome 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the HW Torque series. Next one up is this awesome 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser from the Chevy Bel Air series. Next one up is this beautiful LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 from the HW Turbo series. Next one up is this beautiful 57 Chevy from the Chevy Bel Air series. Next one up is this beautiful 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth from the Retro Racing series. Next one up is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler from the Mudstud series. Next one up is the Honda S2000 from the HWJ Import series. Next one up is the 1990 Acura NSX from the HWJ Import series. Next one up is the GMC Hummer EN from the HW Greenspeed series. Next one up is the 2020 Toyota Tacoma from the HW Hot Truck series. Next one up is this awesome Toyota AE86 Sprinter Terreno from the HW Hatchback series. Next one up is the Kit Super Pursuit Mode car from the HW Screen Time series. Next one up is La Troca from the HW Hot Truck series. Next one up is this beautiful 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class from the HW Hatchback series. Next one up is this awesome 55 Chevy from the Chevy Bel Air series. Next one up is the Mazda RX-3 from the HWJ Import series. Next one up is this beautiful Lotus Sport Elise from the Factory Fresh series. Next one up is the 2005 Ford Mustang from the Spoiler Alert series. Next one up is the Nissan Z Proto from the Factory Fresh series. Next one up is the 59 Chevy Impala from the Chevy Bel Air series. Next one up is the Mazda Repu from the HW Hot Truck series. Next one up is the Volkswagen Käfer Racer from the HW Contoured series. Next one up is the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel from the HW Hot Truck series. Next one up is a Lane Lowrider from the Xperia Motors series. Next one up is the 1970 Chevelle SS Wagon from the HW Wagon series. Next one up is the Volkswagen Beetle from the Compact King series. Next one up is a Volkswagen Beetle from the Target Red Edition series. Next one up is a 1976 Greenwood Corvette from the Target Red Edition series. Next one up is a 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL racer car from the Target Red Edition series. Next one up is the Alfa Romeo BC Competizione from the Factory Fresh series. Next one up is the Koenigsegg Gamera from the HW Turbo series. Next one up is the 1956 Ford F100 from the Target Red Edition series. Next one up is the Matchbox 1960 Chevy El Camino. And last but not least, guys, we have this beautiful Matchbox Porsche 918 Spider. Alright guys, so this is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know which one is your favorite. You guys take care, God bless, happy hunting, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.